Watch this video to learn how to use a promo code for an Air Canada flight. Visit the official Air Canada website, where you'll find an option to book flights. To choose your trip type, simply click on the trip button within the booking form. Locate your city in the form to update the departure location. Pick your airport from the options provided. Choose the location you want to visit. In the form, enter your destination city in the field and select the airport you wish to visit from the drop-down menu. Choose your travel date from the calendar pop-up. Here, you'll find the promo code option. If you have a promo code, simply enter it into the designated box and click Search. Once you have the list of flight options, simply select the one you wish to book. Ensure you enter the promo code accurately to receive the discount. Proceed to the payment section and use your preferred payment method to finalize the booking. This is how you can apply a promo code for an Air Canada flight.